Come no, Dadaji.
Bittu, I am so happy I am dropping you to school. Otherwise, I barely get to spend time with you.
Yeah, Dadaji. I spend time with you. But nowadays, I become a little busy with school.
School, school, school. Bittu, nowadays, all you talk about is school. Arey, slow down, beta. You are walking so fast.
I had to rush to school, Dadaji. Today is our test based on our CAN learnings. There's so much to do. Walk fast, Dadaji.
Bittu, I'm a school principal myself. But I have never heard about this CAN. Is he your new friend at school?
What? You've never heard of CAN?
Huh?
Now you better come with me to school. Dadaji, you'll have to meet CAN.
Come.
Children enjoy it.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Bittu was telling me about CAN. I would like to meet him. Where is he?
All the kids love Kyan. In fact, the teachers too. And I'm very glad that you too would like to meet Kyan.
Okay, Dadaji. I'm going for my exam.
I'll see you after the class.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, come sir. This is our Kyan. Earlier, we were very scared of using complicated technologies in the classrooms. We wanted something that was very simple and easy to operate so that we could focus more on the teaching in class. And 3 years ago, we got introduced to Kyan.
Oh, it means you have been using this machine since last 3 years.
Yes, sir.
It's great.
And it's very easy. When we actually started operating it, we realized how easy it was. Just connect a wire, push 2 buttons, and we are ready to teach.
So simple.
Yes, sir. And this wonder machine combines a high-end PC and a projector in one box. Along with that, it has a DVD player, a TV tuner card, a broadband connectivity, this wireless mouse and the keyboard. And so, you won't believe, but this wonder machine has changed our teaching methods and our lives for much better.
Interesting. Really interesting. But this new technology must be very costly for our schools and foreign made. You see, not many teachers in our school are computer savvy.
Not at all, sir. Neither is the machine very costly, nor is it difficult to use. In fact, this machine is made in India's prestigious engineering institute, that's IIT Mumbai.
That makes it so strong and credible machine.
No doubt.
Dadaji, I did really well at the test. It was so simple.
Really? You remember everything correctly?
Yes, all thanks to Kyan.
Good.
See, Kyan is just like these children, bubbling with so many ideas and yet so simple at heart.
You know, it is so much like you teachers also, doing so many great things and being a great guide to the kids.
Would you like to see how the system works?
Sure.
Great. Let me show you how this Kyan works. Right? I can show the kids a DVD on the subject. I can show them a TV episode. I can even go online and show them maps. And then I can download music of that place and make them listen to it too.
This is great information. In fact, for my own school, I was planning to get smart boards or electronic whiteboards. But this seems even better.
Indeed, it is so. There is a vast difference between the electronic whiteboards and this Kian. The very first difference being portability. Electronic whiteboards are fixed and need a lot of maintenance, while Kian can be taken anywhere. The teacher can watch the content along with the students. The utility of Kian lies in its design. Various pieces of technology, but all in one simple box. And finally, one Kian can be used in several classrooms due to its portability. So it is also a profitable proposition for the school. And since its birth in year 2004, over 2 lakh teachers in 8,000 government and private schools have been using this Kian to change the way the students learn in schools.
Dadaji, I think you should definitely buy a can for your school. Everyone will love it and you will see quick results.
Done, Bittu. I will definitely buy Kian machines for my school. I am convinced that Kian is the best, most convenient and easiest teaching aid. It is a friend, a guide and a multifaceted genius. Kian is the revolution in Indian education. I choose Kian. What about you?